Hello, today I'm going to be showing a video of all my cats. This first one is Mocha. The second one is Cleopatra. Cleopatra is very shy. She really doesn't come out a lot, so you wouldn't be expecting her to see in every video. There's a third one named actually
oh my goodness,
Maggie. She's kind of scratchy as well. You could say that she's also very vicious. I would say she can scratch a lot of people. And Cleopatra also, she's vicious, mean, and yeah, I don't see many people making these type of video where they're just watching other people show them their cats. Basically, I would say out of 100, people probably make 20% of them make cat videos. And yeah, that's all for today's video, so bye.